I've got the 50% fib as my guide. That's what I'm looking at. But I'm looking at overlap. Okay, I'm looking at the weekly M1 is 65. Is that right? 129.65. The daily M1 is 81. So that's 16 pips of difference. And then in between the two of them, I've got my 50% fib followed by previous price action at 70, followed by the US index correlating with it. So this is one of those situations that my overlaps is 70 all over the place. But that doesn't mean it can't go from 60 or 85, right? We talked about this last week, didn't we, with the overlap? You know, if you've got a situation where, guys, you ever do this? Like, let's say you have a fib you're waiting for. Let's say you're trying to short something, right? And price, you want to short here. This is your planned zone, okay? You want to short the 382. So obviously, if the fib is down here, prices come down like that. So it's working its way back up, and you want to short there. But here you are, and you've got this EMA coming in here like this, 21 from one time frame. You got a 200 from another time frame, a 55 from another, a big old pivot point right there of some sort. Maybe what? Maybe a trend line. Does this look familiar? So you're eyeballing this short here. But you're like, man, that's a lot of overlap. If that got there, you know that you and other people are going to want to short here. But you also know that the retail traders are going to want to short here. Some other traders are going to want to short here. People for different reasons are wanting to short at the same location. Hedge funds might want to short here. There's 72 flavors of resistance there, and you have one here. Which one of those two is more likely to succeed? One or two? The 618 overlap with all that crap, or just the 382? It is easy, but here's what's not easy. You look at something like that, so what do? You go, well, okay, well, I'll wait for the overlap. So you don't take this trade. And what can happen is, even though that overlap is incredible, that doesn't mean it has to get there. Instead, it might just do this, and guess what? There might just be enough there to get it done. And you're sitting up here going, well, I was backing up the truck. Wait, what? Who's been there? I have. It sucks. Yeah, that's going to happen. Get used to it. So why am I bringing this up now? Because we have a very good level of overlap today on the euro, I think, and the we'll call it the 60 to 80 zone. Who can agree with that? It's a 20 pip radius. It's pretty solid. There's like 7 things and correlation. There's a lot there. So if it goes from 130, which by the way is a big psychological, it's before that. I chose to wait for the overlap, and you know that might cost me. The other way to look at it is we're still coming back up to the 405. Maybe, just maybe, that 405 can send us down to finish the job. I don't know. But you know, you never can discount the fact that it might be it might go from the earlier level.